Tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight. While I can fight, as long as the ball feels right, it's like I'm in flight. High off a log, drunk full of hate. It's like I'm up in I love her, the more I suffer. I suffocate right before I'm about to drown. She resuscitates me. She fucking hates me, and I love it. Wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back. We're running right back. Here we go again. It's so insane, 'cause when it's going good, it's going great. Superman with the wind in his back. She's always lame, but when it's bad, it's awful. I feel so ashamed. That snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I laid hands on him. I never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Desde Ortiz, Estado Guapo, Producciones Eduardo.
You ever love somebody so much you can barely breathe when you're with him?